Hi guys, thank you so much for coming back and welcome to another video. This week's video is going to be a motivational cleaning video. I'm going to be cleaning a lot of things. For a start, I'm going to be washing all my duvets and also my pillows. These are the dining area pillows, the ones that we sit on. They are quite dirty and I need to wash them, so I'm going to show you how I do it. I am also going to wash the carpet, the bedroom carpet. In this video. In the next video, I'm going to wash the living room carpet. So enjoy. As usual, in the end of this video, we're going to have to make a meal together. So enjoy.
On Saturdays I'm lonely, but it's my fault. You say you wanna hold me, but I'm scared to get close. I'm just a beautiful ghost. I love you, you know this. I thought you had noticed I'd never make the move. Leave it all up to you, 'cause I'm good at mistakes. I don't wanna take the blame, leave it all up to you. Don't wanna get over you. And if one day I come through, all of my dreams will come true. Don't know how I hide it so good, when you always see me through. On Saturdays I'm lonely, but it's my fault. You say you wanna hold me, but I'm scared to get close, baby. I'm just a beautiful.
For the carpet, it's easy to wash. It's quite light, so I wash it in the bathroom. I just fold it into four. So I wash it in parts. The water I'm using is coming from the washing machine. I'm recycling that water that I'm using to wash the duvets, to wash that carpet, and then I'm going to rinse it with clean water and I'm done.
When you always see me through, even if I reply late, even if I make mistakes, and if I push you away, deep down I'm hoping you stay. It's so annoying that you're smart, that your casual conversation, even the short duration.
I usually rinse the pillows twice and then I spin. After spinning, I make sure there is no water left. With this July weather, it will take maybe a day for them to dry. But if it was in January when the sun is really hot, it only takes like 3 hours of good sun and they are dry. This washing machine comes in handy, especially in July, because for the clothes, they'll take maybe 3 hours to dry, the ones that are not so heavy. So if you are considering getting this machine, you should get it. It's quite nice, but not compared to the fully automatic ones, which we are saving to buy in future. But if this is what you can afford for now, you can go ahead and get it. It's a really nice machine. It saves time, saves on water. It only consumes, like washing all these clothes that I have washed today, I'm only going to consume maybe a single unit of electricity. Also for the water, you can recycle it. As you saw, I was using the same water to wash the carpet, so I think it's a good machine for anyone who is on a budget.
Can cover everything from science based to art. It's so obnoxious that you're kind, that you always have time for family and help out everybody, as if a million things don't occupy your mind. If you could be just a little less perfect, then I could say I don't have time and it's not worth it. But how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? Oh, if you can get much better, don't, 'cause it'll get much harder. Can't blame a girl for trying to take it slow. Oh, how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? How can I resist you? It's maddening that you make me smile, even at times when no one else can. When I get overwhelmed and I want the world to fade away just for a while. Over the top that you're so cute, and that if you and David stood there both side by side, I bet that Michelangelo would be surely carving you. If you could be just a little less perfect, then I could say I don't have time and it's not worth it. But how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? Oh, if you can get much better, don't, 'cause it'll get much harder. Can't blame a girl for trying to take it slow. Oh, how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? How can I resist you? Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do everything I can. Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do everything I can. Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do everything I can. No, I'm not a saint. Is anybody these days? Oh, I've been a liar. Pointed a finger when I started the fire, and I've never been one to pray. I hope for someone like you. After the hurt and the heartbreak, you made me believe in something new. Baby, like a sunrise, like Sunday faith washing over me. After the hardest night, you're giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen and hallelujah, thanking God's above. And take me to church with your love. And take me to church with your love. Since I was a child, I never made the best choices. My heart can run wild. I get distracted.
For dinner, we are going to have mokimo. Mokimo is a mixture of githeri and potatoes, and then you mash them together. Potatoes are in season, so we are taking advantage of this. So the recipe is very easy. I just boil the potatoes, I put the githeri, and then I mash them together. For flavor, because it can be very bland, I am going to add onions. I am going to fry them and then add them in the end. As you'll see, we are going to have this with steamed cabbages.
With pretty voices, but my past lovers were wrong. Knew it from how their love was given. I feel right since they've been gone. Since you became my religion, baby, like a sunrise, like Sunday faith washing over me after the hardest night. You're giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen and hallelujah, thanking God's above. And take me to church with your love. Take me to church with your love. You took me down to the river, gave me a new start. It's different now with no sinners, breaking my heart, and I don't feel the hurt I used to be made of. 'Cause you take me to church without you, love. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like Sunday faith washing over me after the hardest night. You give me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen, hallelujah, thanking God's above. Take me to church with your love. Take me to church, take me to church, take me to church with your love. Take me to church, put me down to the river.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.